Hi guys! Have a nice day! By the way guys, normally we just went to the market this morning and we come back early because usually we always went to the market early in the morning, early as 6 or 7, something like that, not more than that. So today we come back early and hubby decided to do something with his car because he bought some accessories and he wanted to change I'm not very sure what is the name of that, wheels in front. So we will go and see guys, what he's already in the parking area near to our home. So, look at my husband. He is a mechanic for today. What are you doing?
I changed this.
Is it the suspension?
No, I will call this in English. I don't know. So,
I don't know either.
lagers.
So guys, here you go. He spent his Sunday doing this. He put anti-rust paint. As you can see, there is no rust in it.
You will see when I open that one how much rust on the other side.
But every time you need to put?
No, but yeah, I put if I open.
So this is our baby. Well take care. And normally if my husband want to change something in the car, if he can able to do it by himself, he do it by himself. He doesn't need to go to the mechanic shop. So most of the time he is the one doing it, especially if he has some free time, like right now Sunday. So ayan guys. You will change also the oil?
No,
No,
just
only that one. So for this time, just to put a paint and change something down in the wheels. Okay. Bay na hidan?
No. This one, yeah.
And then the under. This is our simple horse that help us bring to work, going to church, going for shopping, shopping for food. You see, he put this one also. I don't know this is for what. I don't have idea. What is this for?
Which one?
This like a lock. This one.
This is the breaker.
The brake, amay. So it's like this. We have a small camera also over there for protection in the road. Not protection to keep you safe, huh? Of course, it's not the camera who make you safe. That is anti-rust
No,
paint.
it's
Heat resistant.
yeah.
Ah,
Because here is
okay.
the brake is warm. Huh?
Ah, okay. But you have also a rust prevention.
Here no need.
Ah, okay. Smell.
Yeah. Voila, it's almost finished.
Okay.
Just need to put it inside.
Ah, you are
It's
starting to put them back.
Yeah.
Okay. You did not use your gloves.
No, I cannot.
What is this for?
Lipstick.
Yeah. Ah, look tight.
You know what is look tight?
I don't know.
Some people know. Like,
What is that?
To prevent not to open, huh?
Ah, to help it tighten.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. People were visiting their loved ones in the, it's close to the cemetery. I never been there.
Me
I
too.
think one day I will go and look.
Really.
Yeah.
What you see? The same.
Ah, you have a lot of keys, huh? For every.
Yeah. Yeah. This is special for.
Mm.
You cannot use it.
Wow. Nice. And you ordered this in Amazon?
No.
Ah, in Autodoc. In the shop for cars accessories, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wheel bearing kit. Ah, you changed the wheel bearing kit. Okay. Make sure you will. Okay.
Later when it's the brake.
So guys, it's almost done. One wheels is like less than 1 hour, so it's free of charge. So in the shop, I think it's €100 or more. So guys, this is the old one. This is the wheel bearing kit. It's very heavy. So I don't know. Is it kaput or it's necessary to change?
Hear a little in the speed. You can hear a little like noise.
Ah.
So if I have time, I do it now.
Ah, okay. So this is the problem. Like
Not
it should be
big,
changed.
but in few thousand kilometers or months, it will happen like Corina. Very noisy.
Ah, okay.
You remember her?
Ah, because I think this one will become a thinner, from time to time.
No,
Not like
inside
that.
it's the.
It's heavy, huh? Wow.
It's metal.
Guys, this is the new one. He installed it already.
Your hand.
Yeah, wow.
It's oil, huh?
So heat resistant paint on it. I remember you have also an anti-rust paint.
Yeah, but it's nothing rust here, huh?
Yeah, I know.
I have it, yeah, but
I thought that is the one you were using.
huh?
Yeah, I know. No. Ah, you have to make it straight.
Yeah, so I can.
He straighten this one, this part, to put back the disc.
And there's no.
You will put back the disc now. Ah, this is the disc.
Yeah, this is the disc. Finish. €56.
Ah,
Yeah.
not that expensive.
Aye. But if you have 4,
Per wheels.
yeah.
Ah, okay. But you don't feel sad you lost the 50 you.
No, maybe need it fine.
Ah, yeah.
Or there's someone who don't have.
Yeah.
So
It's
I will
okay.
say now, mamayan. Why not? Because
It's finito.
yeah.
And lastly, the wheels. It's finished. Here is he done. It's finito.
I hope.
In order to do that, you have to put, what is that? A jack?
Yeah.
What,
Jack Sparrow.
what is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Which one?
That's the part of the steering wheel. I understand now. I can see.
This one come here,
Yes.
yeah, and this one come inside.
Okay. It's like a lipstick.
call upon his name.